Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add the Solana network to your Coinbase wallet, step by step, updated for 2025. Let's dive right in. Step 1, open the Coinbase Wallet app on your phone. Make sure the app is fully updated to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. 2, on the main wallet screen, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Step 3, tap on Active Networks or Networks. The name may vary slightly depending on your app version. Step 4, tap Add Network, scroll through the available list or use the search bar to look for Solana. Step 5, once you find Solana, tap it to add the network. You may be asked to approve network details like RPC URL and symbol. Simply tap Add or Approve. Step 6, once added, go back to your wallet homepage. You should now see Solana as an available network. Step 7, you can now send, receive, or stole and Solana-based tokens directly within your Coinbase wallet. Tip, always double check that you're using the Solana network before making any transactions. Sending Solana tokens to the wrong network may result in lost funds. And that's it. You've now successfully added the Solana network to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more crypto tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.